Hi, I'm Louis Coyle for Connect. The purpose of today's video is to demonstrate how to set up a SE715, which is an oxygen sensor, on a Stratos MS. The first time you wire up the Stratos MS, which is a multi-parameter device, it will automatically be set to read in the pH parameter. Obviously, we want to change that to oxygen. So the way we're going to accomplish this is by loading the parameter profile. As it's currently set for pH, we need to change that to oxygen. So first, we're going to go down to the menu. Then we're going to scroll all the way over to service. Press enter. The service, or the passcode to the service, is the default of 555. Then you're going to scroll over to device type. Go and press enter. And then we're going to choose the oxygen profile when it says oxy. Now, to show you the other types of parameters we can choose from are condi or inductive conductivity, regular conductivity, and then pH. But as we have pH currently chosen, it's not going to display that. So we're going to choose oxy, just press enter, and we're going to set the type, yes. And then the profile is going to load. When it's done loading, it'll kick you back out to the measuring display screen, and you'll have to press the back button in order to display that. So there we are. When it says measure down here in the corner, we can go ahead and back. Might take a moment. And there we go. Go ahead and press back. And now you're on the main screen, and now it is currently displaying oxygen. So the next thing I want to go over is how to turn on the Sensoface. So first we're going to go into the menu, then we're going to scroll all the way over to configure, going to press enter, then we're going to scroll all the way over to alarm, going to press enter again. This is the delay time in which your alarm will turn on. And then Sensoface, we want to set this to on. And then that's it. Sensoface is currently on and smiling. Last thing I want to go over is the Diagnostics menu. So from the main screen, we want to go down to the menu, go into Diag, which is for Diagnostics. Now this is a really important menu because it has everything in here from cal data to information about the sensor itself, including the manufacturer, the model type, the serial number, and last calibration. Then there's also information about performing a self-test that'll deal with screen brightness and such, logbook, monitoring, and version, which talks about the MS itself. And this is how we set up an oxygen sensor like the SE715 on the Stratos MS. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any comments or questions, please reach out and let us know. Thank you.